Homework tonight, 6-3, focuses on just good old-fashioned regrouping with subtraction. It says use drawings if needed. We're kind of to a point at this point, 3 lessons in, that you're just going to need to start understanding that we went over with the place value blocks and drawing pictures of them, that understanding the why. We spent a little bit of time on it earlier this week. Now you're going to have to just get into the nitty-gritty practice. So, what does that look like? First thing I would have your child do above all of these, look at the ones column and see if it needs regrouping or not. Well, 5 minus 4, it does not need regrouping. No, it's just subtract down the columns. That's easy. 1 minus 8, yes, absolutely it needs it. 5 minus 7, can't do it. Yes, it needs regrouping. 8 minus 9, absolutely yes. And 3 minus 6, yes. So first, just have them go through and decide, is it yes or no regrouping? That's a strategy that you need to be able to look at immediately and decide. Because some of them are still trying to figure out if they need regrouping or not. This is a quick way, yes or no, to do that. So have them go through, especially on the back too. You have to decide. And then explain why. Why? Why does it need regrouping? Or what is regrouping? What are you doing when you're regrouping? You're taking a 10 and exchanging it in for ones, 10 ones. You need to have that concept in the brain. Taking a look here, so 5 minus 4, you should be able to subtract down 5 minus 4 and write the answer, and then 2 minus 0, because there's 0 tens, and write the answer. So you do not need these. When it's no, you don't need them. Don't need those squares. They're just confusing you. Here, you can subtract 5 minus 4 and then 2 minus 0 and write your answer and answer, please. Here, you're going to regroup. So I can't subtract 1 minus 8. I'm going to need some more 1s. How am I going to get 1s? I'm going to exchange one of these 10s. Take 1 away, minus 1, and I have 3 left. Now, those 10s are now going to be transferred over here, plus 10. So 1 plus 10. 1 plus 10 is 11. Now I can do 11 minus 8 is, well, you could start at 11, hop back 8, or say, oh, 8's really close to 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 3. And then 3 minus 0 is 333. Moving ahead, can't subtract 7 from 5. Need more 1s. I cannot. I need this right here. I need this 1's digit to be bigger. I need more 1s. How am I going to get more 1s? Exchange a 10. I'm going to subtract one of those 10s and have 5 10s left. And now I'm going to have plus 10 over here. 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 minus 7. Wow. Well, if you know your doubling facts, 7 plus 7 is 14. Ooh, close. 7 plus 7 is 14, but 7 plus 1 more, 8 is 15. Those are those addition facts coming in handy. But good thing we know those. 5 minus 0. Good old-fashioned 5. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. 78 minus 9. Problems. Can't take 9 away from 8. Need more 1s right here. How am I going to get more 1s? I'm going to not borrow. I'm going to regroup them and say, I'm going to exchange one of those, minus one of those 10s to 6 for 10 1s. 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 minus 9, doubling fact. Ding, 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 ding. 9. 6 minus 0 is 6. Now I realize I'm doing all the work for you on these homeworks, so if you're actually following along at home and you're like, number 5, I'm just have your child watch this video and they're getting all the answers from me. I don't want that. So, in the spirit of having to do some work independently, if they're watching this video, go ahead and try this one on your own. Show it to mom and dad, grandma. Or get it done and turn it in. So give this one a shot. You're going to have to regroup. This and this are going to have to be regrouped. I promise. On the back. Promise only. 53 grapes are on a plate. Andrea eats 5. How many are on the plate now? Now, subtraction. 53. If you do not stack these in the correct order, you're going to have major, major issues. 53 minus 5. Ooh, okay, well, 3 minus 5, I'm going to have to regroup. Yes, absolutely. Don't have enough 1s here. I can't subtract 5 from it if I don't have enough 1s. So where am I going to get 1s? Ooh, right here. I'm going to take a 10. Now I have 4 10s, and I'm going to add 10 over here. 3 plus 10 is 13. Now I get 13 minus 5. Wow, 13 minus 5. Boy, that's some higher level subtraction facts you're going to need to know. 8. Well, because you know 5 plus 5 is 10, and you need 3 more, right? So when you're thinking about this in terms of adding up, so don't think 13 and count back 5. That's going to be tough. Think, oh, 5. Well, 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 3 more is 13. 5 plus 3 is 8. That's another way to think of that problem. And 4 minus 0 is 4. So 48. Moving ahead to the next one, shadow. I don't know where they come up with these names. It's amazing, right? Read 7 pages. This book has 67. How many pages does shadow have left to read? Wow, this is going to be nice. You know why this is going to be nice? 67 minus 7? Because you don't have to regroup. Ding, 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 ding. 7 minus 7, easy. I'm going to let you do this yourself. 7 minus 7, 6 minus 0. Call it a day. You don't have to regroup. Wow, that's nice, isn't it? Don't have to do any work. You got to know your subtraction facts. That one's quick. That could be a 10-second problem right there. Write your answers in, please. Write your answer in, please. Whoa. Complete the subtraction frame. Subtract a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number. What? This is open to interpretation. But what I'll tell you is this. I would make it as easy as possible. Right? If it's 76 is your difference here, right? That's the difference. So you have to look at a minuend and a subtrahend. Just add 1 to it. 77, right? There's 77. And then if I get 77 to 76, 7 minus 1. It's easy, right? 77 minus 1. That's it. 7 minus 1 is 6. 7 minus 0 is 7. Just make this easy. Don't do any crazy work. I mean, if you want to do some regrouping and really push yourself, great. Just do something that's going to get by. If you want to push yourself and go like to 140 or 94 and do some regrouping, great, you could. This is just quick math. And then did this for during the day today. I'm mathing your own in class. Taking a look at these 3 place cards that need to be filled in on these 3 squares. This one's the difference, part of the difference is already filled in. So I've got 2 here and 1 here. I know I have to regroup. It's a yes. No, regroup. This has to get crossed out. Well, if I don't have enough 1s over here, I got to regroup one of those. And I know a 1's got to go here. And then what happens here? I add 10 to it. Well, if I add 10 to it, which number add 10 to it goes up here? And then when you find the difference, what number goes down there? You know this one's already used. Figure out where these 2 go. And that, tonight, my friends, is your homework. This is just good old-fashioned the way your mom and dad learned how to do subtraction with regrouping in class. And I used to call it borrowing, now they call it regrouping.